Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Alrighty, here's some turkey.
stand in your way.
Ground turkey. I got some shredded parm. I got some green olives, black olives, homemade marinara sauce. This is cavatappi. It's just really just noodles, some seasonings, some olive oil. Mike Foster here. Today, it's a killer turkey olive pasta. It's gonna be so good. Put a little garlic and onion in there. Meet you at the stove. Put this bad boy together. Can't wait. All right, what we're gonna do is just smash this baby down. Smash it, smashy, and then you peel them like this. Give you a peel, and then once you get them all peeled, this is a nice little chopper. Give me the old chopper. Rinse them up pretty good, and we'll put those in next to the onions. Slice one side off, get the other side, get that side off, all that stuff. All right, open this baby up. There's the baby right there. That's what I'm talking about. Give this guy a little chop like that. One like that, one like this, one like that. There you go. Just chop them up like that. There you go. Each at the stove, put this baby together. A little olive oil. Let's get that garlic down. Just mess it around. This is on medium pan. Let this go for a couple minutes. Then we'll add the onions. All right. It already smells heavenly. Add the onions. There they are. Just mix it about. A little more olive oil. That's everything. Let's saute these down for several minutes. I'll let you know how long it takes. I'd say at least 5 to 6. Then we'll start adding the other ingredients. All right, this is looking really good. That's the baby. Okay, we're gonna get this all integrated with these onions and garlics. To this, fresh cracked black pepper. There you go. Couple cracks of salt. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some oregano. Basil. Just a little garlic powder. That's all. Onion powder. That, ooh, that's a lot. Mix it in. Schmixy. Mixy, schmixy. Alright. I got the water for the pasta boiling. So that's a baby right there, isn't it? Break it up. Mix it up. Mix it around. Let's have the olives. Some green olives. Baba. Some black olives. This is turkey and olive pasta. That's what it's called. Now what you need to do is just add that marinara sauce. I made this up. If you want to know how to make marinara sauce, you know it. I have links and in the cards. Alright, mix it in. Get that pasta water going. So we'll let this simmer, bring this up to a boil, and then we'll simmer it down. Everybody simmer down. Alright, let's simmer this baby. Alright, we'll see you when this baby's ready. That water's boiling, let's put that baby in. These are just like macaroni noodles, but they're called cavatappi. It's gonna take about 10 minutes to cook. When these are done, we should be pretty close to having this baby ready. I'll see you then. Check the sauce. We're gonna put that down a little because it's simmering. Gonna add a little shredded parm. Put a little of that baby right there. That looks good, doesn't it? Come on, admit it. The pasta has been finished, rinsed, and now put that baby back in there. To this, we put the sauce that we put together. Oh, it's gonna be so gorgeous. Look at that. Let's incorporate it and let's fold it in. Oh yeah, fold it in. Oh, this baby's ready. Get a close-up of this, and I'll meet you at the counter for a taste test. I can't wait. There's your close-up. Big bite coming up. All right, that's hot. There that baby is. Ooh, it's hot. Let's have a bite though. It looks gorgeous. Look at this. Oh yeah, that's good. This pasta's gorgeous. This thing is hot. This pasta is beautiful. You can taste those olives. The marinara sauce is gorgeous. The cheese finishes it off. One more bite. Perfect. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time. Keep living life 365 and trying new things. Peace.
Live life 365.
I'm in my Las Vegas house. I sold my California house. Believe it or not. Gorgeous! That's what she said. Mama. That's pretty hot.
It's all escaped.
Can't all be fried eggs, if you know what I'm saying. Till next time. Sweet baby baboon.
I could eat this all night. That's the pickle right there.